Part 7. Addition or subtraction of more than two integers. You will find this on page 33 in the Namibian Mathematics Grade 8 textbook, y equals mx plus c to success. Let's look at example 8. Without using a calculator, find the value of the following. Now, it's -3 plus -2 minus 5 plus 1 minus -4. Now, I want you to first focus on, this is addition, okay, this is a subtraction, and this is also a subtraction. So the best will first be is to rewrite everything and change everything into an addition. So basically change that subtraction parts to addition parts. Okay, now look there. There was -3, I just wrote it over. Then it's positive, it's all right, so I just leave it. Now, if there's no sign in front of that, just look here. If there's no sign in front of the 5, it will be a positive. So actually, I change it, that subtraction, to a positive, and the positive I change to a negative. Can you see there? Then that one I just rewrite, and there's a subtraction again, so change it to a positive by finding the additive inverse of -4, and that will be +4. And now the best will be, you can do it with a number line, but you can do it without a number line. First, just add all the ones with the same signs. Look, there's a -3, there's a -5, there's a -2. So just add that. So it's 3 plus 2, it's 5 plus 5 is 10. So add the numbers and keep the sign. There's your -10. And then basically just add the positive ones. +1, +4. So 4 plus 1 will be +5. It's an addition, but the signs will be different. Because look, there is actually standing -10 plus 5. So it's, remember, the number grabbed the sign in front of it. So the signs will be different. So what do I do if the signs are different? I find the difference. So that will be 5. And I look, did I move more negative or more positive? Definitely more negative. And that's why my final answer will have a negative. Okay. I want you to stop the video. And I want you to do try now 8. And then as soon as you are finished, you can continue with the video. Okay, let's look at try now 8. Okay, I'm first going to rewrite it as it stands there. Okay, now just take note, and I'm going to show you more. Do you see there's a negative? Okay, that's a positive, and there's also a negative. So the positives I can actually just rewrite. So let's look. I just rewrite, and I'm just rewriting. But there's a subtraction. So I change it to an addition by finding the additive inverse. The additive inverse of -5 will be +5. This is a positive, so I just rewrite it. Change it to a positive, and don't forget, if there stands no sign, there's actually a positive. So that positive will then change to a negative, because the additive inverse of +4 will be -4. And now I can look at the ones with the same signs. Okay, there's a positive, and that looks all like negative. So it's 5 plus 3, so that will just be 8. And now let's look at the negative ones. There's a negative, there's a negative, and there's a negative. So what do I do? If the signs are the same, I keep the sign and I add the numbers. So I keep the sign and I add the numbers. 6 plus 2 will be 8, plus 4 will be 12. Now remember, if there's no sign, there's addition. So basically, I can just go and I can just subtract the numbers. So I find the difference, and that will be 4. And now, did I move more positive or more negative? Definitely more negative. So I keep the negative sign. let's see on the number line if it's going to work. I just have to take this sentence, the one where everything is changed to a additions part. Okay, so let's start at 3. We're just going to check if it's going to work. There's 3. Then I move negative 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then I move positive 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then I move negative 2. So 1, 2. And then I move negative 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And my answer will also be negative 4.